The 1959 Scimitar EX All-Purpose Sedan is one of the most unusual American concept cars of the late 1950s. It was created as part of the Scimitar Project, a promotional program commissioned by Olin Corporation after its expansion into aluminum production through Revere copper and brass and other aluminum operations. The goal was to demonstrate how aluminum could be used in automobile construction as a lighter, corrosion-resistant alternative to steel. Industrial designer Brooks Stevens was chosen to lead the project. Instead of developing a completely new vehicle, he used the chassis of the 1959 Chrysler New Yorker, supplied through Chrysler design chief Virgil Exner. 3 Scimitar show cars were built: the hardtop convertible, the town car Phaeton, and the all-purpose sedan. The bodies were constructed by Karosseriewerk Reutter of Stuttgart, Germany, the company famous for building Porsche 356 bodies and early Porsche 901-911 prototypes. The Scimitars combined anodized brushed aluminum and conventional steel. Aluminum was used in areas most vulnerable to corrosion, including fenders, bumpers, grills, trim pieces, and wheel covers. The all-purpose sedan became the most innovative member of the trio. Its defining feature was a retractable rear roof section that slid forward, transforming the vehicle into a versatile cargo hauler. The design allowed tall objects to be transported while retaining the comfort of a station wagon. This idea later inspired Stevens' production Studebaker Wagonaire of 1963 and anticipated concepts such as the 2004 GMC Envoy XUV. Power came from Chrysler's 413 cubic inch V8 engine, producing approximately 350 horsepower, paired with a TorqueFlite 3-speed automatic transmission. The car featured independent front suspension with torsion bars, a rear live axle on leaf springs, power drum brakes, power steering, power windows, a bench seat, Firestone white-wall tires, and a dashboard borrowed directly from the 1959 Chrysler lineup. Its 6-round taillights originated from the 1958 Chevrolet Impala. The 3 Scimitars debuted at the 1959 Geneva Motor Show before touring Europe and the United States as rolling advertisements for aluminum technology. In 1965, the all-purpose sedan entered Bill Harrah's famous automobile collection in Nevada. Today, all 3 Scimitars survive. The all-purpose sedan remained at the National Automobile Museum in Reno for decades and was reunited with its sister cars at the Amelia Island Concorde Elegance in 2020. As a one-of-one vehicle, it remains a remarkable example of American creativity, German craftsmanship, and forward-thinking automotive design.